Hey my fellow foodies, this is Chef Kevin. Now I've been recently diagnosed as pre-diabetic. My blood sugar was not in the range it should have been. So what that means is, unless I make some sort of change, I could become a full diabetic, which of course I don't want that to happen. Now this is not a death sentence at all. 50% of adults are considered pre-diabetic. But at any rate, so I'm going to make some changes in my diet. The doctor told me to lose weight, of course, which I'm working on. Cut down on sugars, cut down on salt, that sort of thing. So my channel is going to reflect that in the videos that I produce, because I have to eat better. So I can still make good recipes though, no question about that. What I have here is a sweet potato or a yam. And if you're a pre-diabetic or diabetic, this is good food for you because it has a medium glycemic number. I don't want to get into the technicalities, this is a cooking show. Okay, but this has more nutrition in it than a regular white potato. It has much less starch in it, and it has more vitamins. Even though it is a sweet potato, it's actually better for you. So what I'm going to do tonight is make grilled sweet potato wedges. This is real simple, real easy, real tasty. And this can be used as a side, or it can be used as a snack. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is parboil the potato. Here's my one sweet potato. I'm going to place it in a pan of cold water and bring that to a boil and then let it simmer for about 15 minutes or so. So it's been at a simmer for the last 15 minutes. So I need to cut this into wedges, but of course I can't do it when it's piping hot like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give this an ice water bath. Okay, this is called shocking, when you want to reduce the temperature very quickly. I just filled up this pot with ice and water, and you can see it's already cool enough to handle. But I'm going to give that a few seconds, a couple of minutes anyway, and then I'm going to cut that into wedges. In the meantime, I have the barbecue ready to go. So here is my potato. Dry it off a bit. Beautiful. Now I'm making wedges, but you can make other shapes if you'd like. You can make them flat. Okay, so I cut it in half, and now I'm going to get 4 wedges out of each half. It's still slightly warm on the interior, but that's no problemo. How easy is that? Little grapeseed oil. I'm using salt and pepper. I'm not going to use any of those so-called barbecue rubs because they all have sugar in them. Sugar is not my friend right now. A little more black pepper. Okay, I have some smoked paprika here. Put that on top. Mix that up. It's always nice to do this in a bigger bowl. I've seen so many videos, people are struggling to season stuff in a small bowl. It doesn't work. Okay, my friends, I'm hungry. Let's cook these off. Okay, I'm cooking these over direct heat. And these are going to cook fairly quickly. 3 to 4 minutes per side. Okay, 3 to 4 minutes per side. I'm also indirectly cooking some bacon. I don't like to cook bacon inside the house because it just smells and splatters all over the place. So I'm going to cook it on the grill. Not quite sure what I'm going to do with it at this point, but I'm going to grill it, maybe make a little sandwich, put that in a little salad perhaps. We'll see. That's one of my 3 dogs, and she's always out here when I barbecue. She's a very low-key dog. She's 15 years old, but she's doing quite well, and she gets the run of the property here. That's Sandy. Hi, Sandy. So here it is, folks. Chef Kevin's potato wedges, and you know, if you want to put a little grated cheese on top of it, that'd be quite fine. But I'm going to make a sauce right now. This is a natural organic sauce. There's no carbs, the tiniest bit of sugar, not even detectable. And this is so easy, you're not going to believe it. You ready? Little lemon juice. That's all you need. You don't need no fattening barbecue sauce, no ketchup. That is so fresh, so awesome, so inexpensive, and so tasty. Ah. Okay, folks. It's getting kind of late. This is probably going to be my meal. If you like me, like my videos, if you like anything, then throw me a friggin' bone here.
Throw me a frickin' bone here.